Hello amigos, here Patty Sanders at Holiday Park with Old Farmer's Almanac. If you're in Indianapolis, make sure you visit one of the most beautiful places in our city. These are the ruins, and as you can see, this was refurbished by private citizens who decided to give us this beauty of space for the citizens of Indianapolis. So please come over to Indianapolis, and we are going to make autumn spice smoothie. Very easy to make. 1 cup, the ingredients would be 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of roasted sweet potatoes. Make sure I roasted them with a little bit of either butter or olive oil or any oil on top. 2 dates and coconut oil. This is a tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to have 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon. This the Ceylon cinnamon, which is better for our brain, and also cardamom, which is another anti-inflammatory. So we are just going to make it right here. We're going to add our sweet potato to my tiny blender. First time using it. I love it because it's kind of portable, so make sure you have some. You can use your real blender when you're at home. We're going to add this is our almond milk. Okay, and 2 dates. If you want it sweeter, you can use 3 dates. Actually, I did soak the dates. Sometimes they're a little hard, so you can have them in the microwave for about 5-10 seconds to make them softer. And we'll have the tablespoon of coconut oil, or you can have almond butter would be another substitute. And if it's not sweet enough, I like to use stevia, either in an envelope, or you can just dry your own stevia and add it to your smoothie. So we are just going to blend this delicious smoothie. And where is the button? Right here at the park. This is so exciting to have it right here. I think it only has 1 speed. Okay, one more time. Make sure all the pieces are disintegrated here. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, I'm new with my portable blender. I am so happy. Okay, we're gonna try this. Okay, it's a smoothie. Remember that here you can add your protein, daily protein. I've also made it adding a little bit of collagen. So take this smoothie and make it your own, adding what you want to add. You can taste the sweet potato, and I can taste every ingredient in here. It's thick enough. If you want it thinner, you add more milk, and if you want it thicker, you can add 1 more day or maybe another fruit. So just add anything you want. But this is autumn spice smoothie. I hope that you enjoyed this very simple recipe, and please, I welcome your comments. Thank you so much for being with me, and from Indianapolis, Old Farmer's Almanac, and with Patty Sanders. Thank you so much.